Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH! And I'm really excited because today we're cooking pasta.
Kale and walnut pasta specifically.
It's healthy, it's delicious, and this dish takes just 20 minutes.
If that's like 15.
15.
I reckon. This is a 15-minute meal, which is a very, very positive thing.
And it's simple, it's healthy, it's part of our Veganuary meal plan where we're giving away 4 weeks of recipes completely free that are simple, seasonal, and are going to help you feel incredible.
All those recipes are in the PDF, which is in the description to download. And also, you should subscribe to the channel because we're making videos to complement the recipes.
And also, let us know what you think in the comments and hit that like button so more people can find this delicious dish.
This delicious dish is a doddle. It's so easy to make. All you need is a pan and a colander.
Kale is packed with magnesium, packed with goodness. You've got protein in there, you've got nuts for those healthy fats, and a good amount of flavour.
Flavour in abundance. It is totally delicious. Shall we give it a whirl?
There you have it. That is our kale and walnut pasta. It looks incredible. It's steaming. Look how fantastic that looks. Let's try.
This is definitely going to end up in my weekly recipe repertoire. It's delicious.
Your recipe repertoire. Guys, I hope you loved it. That was our healthy kale and walnut pasta, ready in just 15 minutes.
Part of our Veganuary meal plan. Download the PDF in the description below.
And hit subscribe so that you can be in touch with all of our videos. Let us know what you thought in the comments.
Bish.
Bash. Bosh!